Imagine getting personalized email newsletter loaded with actionable instructions, clarity, and power. All your questions answered and problems solved, including problems and challenges you're about to face. It's simply your roadmap to excellence in your ICAN journey. My 16 weeks email newsletters are freighted with power and practicable instructions that would ensure you study and pass from a place of ease, rest, and comfort. Some of the topics in my email newsletter include what to do when you can't pay lecture fee, how to pray rightly for your exam and courses, the healing power of rest, getting the right support system, how to develop your revision plan, how to leverage video materials, dealing with post-exam stress, let your integrity speak, comparing themselves with themselves are not wise, how to avoid pressure, what to do when you're struggling with work, lecture, or study, amongst others. Don't miss my next video.